Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 2100 of What You Up To Now, documenting the journey as I originally started about 5 years ago, maybe longer now, transitioning from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. And then with the pandemic of 2020 and all that craziness, I realized that I needed to have my feet in both worlds, the online and the offline world. So I help to consult and work with people that want to do the same. So today I'm just sharing a couple of pieces of content that I created. The first is I do an annual challenge, and this year's annual challenge is the Get Your Goals annual challenge. And we are talking about the life framework area of contribution this month. We're working on contribution. These are my lovely graphics in the life framework area. I'm traveling, so I have to get a little creative sometimes, but guess what? I use these when I'm at home too. So we talked about the third step of the goal process, which is the goal process. So we looked at 20 different frameworks at the beginning of the beginning of the year, and we picked one with 7 different steps that we're using for each different area and aspect of our life. And so this time we're on step 3 of contribution, which is breaking our goal down into steps. And my goal for this one is to create a nonprofit to help blind people to set up and grow and build businesses or find sources of income and to make their life easier, right? Why? Well, because I'm one and I need to find out those things as well. Our idiom for today for Supersize Your Business, which is my business group, is to make the world a better place one step at a time, which kind of coincides with, making the world a better place one step at a time, in breaking our goal down into steps, our contribution goal down into steps. And so I shared different ways that we as business owners and great human beings can make the world a better place. Nelson Mandela is credited with this, and I think it's a saying more than an idiom. 67 different ways that you could help make the world a better place one step at a time. And he was gearing it toward individuals, but a lot of what we do as people and individuals can be applied to growing and building and supersizing our businesses. We see a lot of businesses doing things that make the world a better place. Volunteering, donating, interacting with their local communities, doing one-for-one like-kind exchanges, doing pro bono work, etc. So that's what we're talking about today. I'm traveling for a couple of days, so I'm actually pre-recording this, but I'll be back home soon and back to my usual routine, and so I won't have 3 and 4 videos showing up one day and then none for 2 or 3 days, if that makes sense. Not sure anybody cares, but I care because I committed to doing certain things, and when I commit to something, I make sure I do it, right? We want to under-promise and over-deliver. Well, that begins with us. Doing what we say we're going to do is a great way to live. All right, if I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow.